The price is significantly lower than its high. The optimism of the people is starting to wane. In the midst of all this mounting unpredictability, something terrible happened. Because of this, things deteriorated further. Perhaps this is the long-awaited fulfillment we have been seeking, though. More and more newcomers to cryptocurrencies mistake it for a gambling platform. They buy and sell currency at random. It destroys the organic growth of any worthwhile cryptocurrency project. And what does BlackRock care about this anyway? What makes this moment potentially crucial in the evolution of cryptocurrency? Pardon me while I clarify. Here is your daily dose of Shiba wealthy coin. If you are interested in Shiba and want to learn more, you have come to the right place. Stay ahead of the curve in the cryptocurrency business and get the scoop on all the newest news predictions by subscribing. Click the like button to receive more SHIB news. There hasn't been much excitement in the Bitcoin sector as of late. Up to this point, nothing noteworthy has transpired. Nothing seems to have changed or been made that would pique people's attention. And that was only before things took a turn for the worse today. Companies like BlackRock, who oversee Ethereum EVs, have spoken out. Furthermore, they were unattractive. The last 8 days have seen a continuation of the outflow. It appears that investors have begun to take their money out, rather than trapping it inside. The already present air of staleness in the cryptocurrency business is further intensified by this minor, inconsequential occurrence. Since investors have started pulling their money out of Ethereum ETHs, the mood has gotten even worse. The already dull market has been further impacted by these outflows and the lack of new impetus. Shiba Inu and similar cryptocurrency projects will surely feel the effects of this. In spite of all that's bad happening today, Shiba Inu still has a reason to celebrate. The Shiba Inu official account on X just issued a joyful message. Wishing you a wonderful International Dog Day. This is more than just a happy shout-out, despite how little it seems. Shiba Inu has always taken great pride in its canine ancestry, as shown by its emblem. This party is in harmony with the token's identity and brings positive attention. Even in a low market, this kind of engagement has the potential to reawaken community spirit and spark interest. The unique charm and continued individuality of Shiba Inu are brought to mind by this. Therefore, Shiba Inu is trying to make a splash and perhaps expand its market share during this relatively calm time in the Bitcoin business. What matters most, though, is the current uproar around Shiba Inu. There has been a significant uptick in the popularity of Shiba Inu. A surge in Shiba Inu whale activity has been detected in recent data from the on-chain platform into the block. Over the past 24 hours, there has been a meteoric rise in the volume of large-scale Shiba Inu transactions. With a total of over 1 trillion Shiba Inu changing hands, the value has increased from more than $19 million to more than $21 million. Just so you have some idea, the average value of these 69 major agreements was around 20 billion Shiba Inu, which is almost $300,000. Any transaction with a total value above $100,000 is considered large according to the entering the block requirement. Currently, we are witnessing transactions that are around 3 times that amount, which is quite remarkable. This uptick in whale activity could help to clarify the recent price fluctuations of Shiba Inu. The current performance of the token can be better understood by looking at the growing number of purchases and sales by significant investors. The outcome was a sharp spike in the cost of Shiba Inu puppies not long ago. There was a small sell-off after this jump, leading to a small drop. But buyers were back in the market in no time, and the cost rose little before settling into a more regular pattern. These sudden price swings usually indicate a surge in buying activity. Large players are usually involved when prices jump this sharply. This is borne out by the increased trading activity for Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu is clearly a target for bulls and whales. According to on-chain statistics, the price of Shiba Inu has jumped 14% in the past 7 days, making this point quite evident. The duration of this impetus is uncertain. Nonetheless, Shiba Inu are currently making a strong comeback in the media. Plus, this is a really important consideration. For 8 days, I mentioned that Ethereum ETF funds were leaving the market. However, things changed drastically when we include Bitcoin. Bitcoin is showing a far more bullish trend and is surpassing prior bull market cycles. It's incredible. This Bitcoin bull run is bigger than the ones in 2015 and 2018. According to a new X report, several investors are taking notice of this strong upward trend. The tremendous swings in value of cryptocurrencies are illustrated here. While other businesses are struggling, Bitcoin is making waves and setting new standards. The recent outflows from Ethereum and the strong performance of Bitcoin demonstrate the diverse character of the cryptocurrency industry. The volatility affecting Ethereum ETHs demonstrates that Not all markets are thriving. Even while Bitcoin is making progress, the current Ethereum ETF's withdrawals may only be a temporary setback on the way to bigger gains. If this is the case, take a look at this interesting stuff. You might have observed the recent lack of variety. If the price charts have been capturing your attention, a few weeks ago, Ethereum's main market disclosed that this would be a major change for Bitcoin. In the past, there would be daily thrills and wild swings in the market. Every day brought new highs and lows, and it was thrilling to see them. Everything is different now. It would appear like the market is mired in a rut with no discernible upward or downward tendencies. Investors accustomed to the thrill of everyday surprises may find this transition distressing. This call might come as a letdown after all the recent uncertainty. The question is, why is this happening? Someone on X did offer a brief explanation, though. The majority of market players are reportedly in it for the long haul, according to them. Price swings that happen out of nowhere don't bother them quite as much. Local peaks, market upswings, or significant Bitcoin gains tend to heighten excitement and anticipation, as we witnessed in 2017 and 2021. But these long, turbulent times might be useful at times. They help get rid of investors and traders who are too emotional and make hasty market judgments in response to tiny price swings or news releases. This is especially the case with the new wave of Bitcoin investors that have recently emerged. For many of these newcomers, Bitcoin is like going to the casino, frivolously spending money in the hopes of becoming wealthy soon. Some cryptocurrency businesses have struggled to acquire traction due to the tremendous volatility that has resulted from this. As a result, the market might benefit right now from some calm and stability. It might help keep these short-term thinkers and speculators at bay, allowing the market to build a stronger foundation over time. From everyone's perspective, this may prove to be a far more beneficial environment in the end. It is possible that Shiba Inu has already achieved this level of development, among other cryptocurrencies. But if they want to grow consistently, Bitcoin and Ethereum need to be in the forefront. This brings us full circle to our previous conversation about Ethereum ETFs. Although the withdrawal of Ethereum's ETF may appear to be a setback, the overall market situation suggests that we might be entering a consolidation period. This might set the stage for a new surge after the market settles and major cryptocurrencies begin to demonstrate more momentum, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. After the Ethereum ETF outflows ceased, several experts predict that the cryptocurrency might soon have a substantial bull run. The reason for this is that some experts have predicted that Ethereum's market valuation would go close to $3 trillion. Ethereum has increased in value by more than a factor of 10, and its current market worth is at $334 billion. During its peak in November 2021, Ethereum's market cap briefly surpassed $500 billion. A market capitalization of $3 trillion would thus signify a substantial increase in the price of Ethereum. The entire Bitcoin market might be affected by this kind of growth. But how will this influence Shiba Inus? Shiba Inus have a track record of success while the market for cryptocurrencies as a whole has been rising. Shiba Inus are likely to reap the benefits of the rising trend if Ethereum achieves its ambitious objective. If Ethereum's growth drives the market higher, Shiba Inu stands to make a lot of money considering its current price. Shiba Inu could reach new heights, maybe even surpassing its previous records if this happens. If so, the Shiba Inu money would have achieved a remarkable feat, increasing its market capitalization to about $81 billion. One must remember that Shiba Inu might gain much more if the market value of Ethereum reaches $3 trillion. On average, Bitcoin's market valuation is over 3 times that of Ethereum's. As a result, the price of a coin might reach over $500,000 if Ethereum's value hits $3 trillion and Bitcoin's value reaches $10 trillion. Shiba Inu and other meme currencies can see explosive growth in this kind of market. Shiba Inu had a phenomenal run during the previous bull market, and they